welcome back to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. Today I'm excited to share with you my lamb shank recipe. It was my first time ever cooking lamb shank and it was fantastic. I was pretty proud of myself. We had our good friend Ephraim come down to visit us for the holidays and he loves lamb shank, so we made him some lamb shanks with a side of mashed potatoes, gravy, and corn on the cob. You can check out what went on in the holidays in more details in my tomahawk video. I made some turkey just in case his diet changed, which ended up as leftover for the next day. Nothing went to waste. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. My channel continues to grow because of you. Make sure to share. Sit back, relax, enjoy my video. The recipe will be throughout the video and also in the description. Did you know that lamb is actually healthier than beef? Lamb is healthier because the lamb tends to be grass-fed and easier to digest than beef. Lamb has more zinc and iron than most non-red meat have. People tend to worry about eating too much lamb because of the fat content, but the fat that it contains is still less than beef. Also, I remember trying lamb for the first time. It was over 10 years ago. I actually did not like it very much. To me, it had like a chewy and a gamey smell. I didn't care for it. However, I did try it again. In other meats, I've had lamb racks, shanks, loin chops, and ground lamb, and I prefer those meats, and I thought they were pretty delicious. So if you're ever going to go ahead and make lamb, just make sure that you know which kind of cut you have so that you don't overcook the meat.